अब मैं खोलने वाला हूँ अपने सारे गिफ्ट्स एंड दिस गिफ्ट इज बिन सेंड टू मी बाय सानिका एंड मिताली. थैंक यू सो मच हीराज. Yes. Oh wow. This is so nice and so thoughtful. Seriously. This is me and Neha. And thank you so much Sanika and Mitali. That is really thoughtful, and to actually gather all these pictures and get them framed and all. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And this is the card, the birthday card, and it says a sincere birthday message just for you. This is sent by Mitali. Thanks Mitali, and let me read it. May today be the beginning of the best years of your life that gives you a pleasant feeling wherever you look and see, and a chance to follow your heart to live life the way it is intended to be. Have a wonderful birthday Mitali. Thank you Mitali. Lovely message. And now let's open the other card, which is from Sanika. So they've sent me a card and they've sent me a photo frames, which is really very sweet. It says life is full of opportunities scattered here and there. May you discover a vast number of them today and always. May your birthday bring you both the enthusiasm and the chance for making up your mind to make this birthday the happiest one yet. Thanks. Neha को भी गिफ्ट्स बड़े पसंद है, so when I take them home, she is going to love that photo frame that you sent. It's come from Kolkata, Sanchari Das. Thank you Sanchari. Now let me see what it is. I'm going to open all of them one by one. Okay, now this is a keychain which is of my birth date, 31st October. So I'm going to use this for some key that I have, maybe my car key or house key. There's a message also. The best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or ever touched. They must be felt with the heart. Anonymous. It says anonymous. No, I don't know what's anonymous, but whoever has sent this, thank you so much, anonymous, and I love you. Oh wow, these are those fragrance flowers. So this is another thing that I can keep in my house. And Neha loves this, and this is that oil, and you put that oil in these dry flowers and the whole house smells really nice. Thank you so much. ये tin मैं बाद में खोल लूँगा घर जाकर. Now okay, let's open this one. This says everybody is identical in their secret unspoken belief that way deep down there they are different from everyone else. David Foster Wallace. Now that's a message by David Foster Wallace, obviously not sent by David Foster Wallace. This is, I don't know what it is. Oh, they are, oh wow! Cuffs. Thank you so much for the aid, and that's really cool. I'm gonna wear it on one of my shirts, couplings. It's really sweet, seriously. Thank you, Sanchari. People are like stained glass window. They sparkle and shine when the sun is out, but when darkness sets in, their beauty is revealed only if there is light from within. So true. Elizabeth Kubler-Ross. So I'm going to remove this message. Keep it in the message. और ये थोड़ा सा खुल गया तो मुझे दिख भी गया. I think these are candles. All the things that you all have sent, Neha is going to love them because she loves all these things that you can use in the house and decorate the house and color candles with like a glass in which you can keep them and light them. So I'm going to probably keep them in one of my balconies and sit with Neha and have nimbu pani, if you know what I mean. Thank you, and now let's open this. If the essence of my being has caused a smile to have appeared upon your face, or a touch of joy within your heart, yes it has, then in Living, I have made my mark. Of course you have. Thomas L. Odin Jr. These are lovely messages, and to write them for me, and I'm going to keep all of them. Probably get them laminated or something.
Yeah.
That will be nice, huh? Oh wow, it's my it's like that Lego of my face. Oh, that's really nice, but it has just kind of probably while traveling. I'm going to join it at home. This is a new game. When I have kids, I can give them this and say, make papa. That's आपकी आंखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज, और फिर थोड़ा मुझे ठीक करना पड़ेगा, आपसे भी खूबसूरत आपके अंदाज. Thank you, Sanchu. This is from Sanchu. God bless you. So this is one more. Very, very, very unique and very thoughtful. And this is a lovely cap. Oh wow. I love caps.
I know.
I love caps. And it's a lovely blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors also. Like she's been so... I mean, she knows everything about me. This is like really nice. Neha's going to feel jealous of you. So I'm going to wear it for you a little. So I can wear this whenever I'm going to the gym or something of that sort. And now, oh, there's a message here also. Every production of an artist should be the expression of an adventure of his soul. William S. Mayhem. Nikhila, you're one of the sweetest and dearest fans I have. And even Sanchu. And you all both are like my darlings. And thanks for always, liking me and being there for me right from left, right, left. I mean, seriously. So much effort, so much time. Nikhila can write my autobiography actually.
That is a good writer.
Yeah, she really writes well. And मत लगाना, मैं थोड़ा ताकत लगा के छोड़ रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये प्लास्टिक फट नहीं रहा है. निखिला बहुत मेहनत करवा रही हो.
मैंने कहा दादी को तुम्हारा सारा खाना आज हजम हो गया. ताकत लगा लगा के.
क्या है? Okay, first let's just see the card. Okay, now she sent me Ranbir's picture on it. Be aware, another birthday, another year older. Okay, this is like really nice. Okay, now let's read it. Hi AB, wish you a very happy birthday. This is the third time I'm sending you gifts. I hope, like previous two times, 2010 your birthday, 2013 your wedding, you will like my gift this time too. Once again, happy birthday AB. With lots of love and wishes, Nikhila from Kerala. Your hardcore fan since 2008 via MJHT. The song you heard while opening this birthday card symbolized you for me, and that's why I chose this birthday card for you. Thank you. मेरी फोटो होनी चाहिए यहाँ पर. This is something which is like really nice. So let's open this. Let me guess. It's a keychain. Yes, it is, with my picture in it. Like Nikhila's heart and my picture. So sweet. बहुत ज़्यादा हंस रहा हूँ मैं इसमें. So now I'll have to, एक घर की गाड़ी के लिए हो जाएगी, एक नेहा की गाड़ी के लिए हो जाएगी. It says a showpiece cum candle stand for you. Hope you will like it with love. Of course I will like it, Nikhila. Anything that you send, I will like it. Right from your message, to your mails, to your updates, everything, I will like it. Wow, this is so pretty. Wow, and you can put a candle here inside, see? Like those small round candles you get, and this is going to be on my dining table for sure. 100%. Next time anybody comes home for an interview, I'm going to show them this and I'm going to tell them Nikhila gave it to me. And that's so nice. Thank you so much, Nikhila. You made my day. Sanchu, Mitali, Sankita. Thank you. I'm a happy man today because I've got so many gifts, and thanks for making my birthday so special, all of y'all. Love you, thank you, and I'm going to celebrate my birthday just the way you all want me to celebrate. With lots of gifts, happy, smiley,